In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text with an outline in Canva. This is a great way to add some colourful flair to your designs, and it's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in and start crafting some eye-catching text. First things first, if you want to create gradient text in Canva, you'll need to click on Type Gradient. This feature is your go-to tool for adding vibrant gradients to any piece of text. Now, if you don't immediately see Type Gradient in your Canva workspace, don't worry. Simply navigate to the Apps section, and there you can type in Type Gradient in the search bar. This will help you locate and activate the feature, ensuring it's ready to use. Once you've got that set up, it's time to add your text. Go ahead and type what you want on the main text box that pops up. This is where your creativity can shine, so choose the words you want to emphasize with that stunning gradient effect. Now onto the fun part, selecting your gradient colors. Canva provides a diverse palette to choose from, so take your time to explore the different color combinations. You might want to consider how your chosen colors complement each other, as well as how they fit into the overall theme of your design. Feel free to experiment with different looks until you find that perfect blend that speaks to you. Once you're happy with your gradient selection, it's time to incorporate your dazzling text into your design. Simply click on Add to Design and voila! Your gradient text with an outline will become part of your Canva project. Keep in mind that depending on your design's needs, you might want to adjust the size, positioning, or even add some additional effects to enhance its impact. With just these steps, you can effortlessly create gradient text with an outline that makes your design pop. Using gradients can be a powerful way to draw attention or highlight a particular message you want to convey, so feel free to use this technique wherever it fits best. Whether you're designing posters, social media graphics, or even personal projects, adding a splash of color through gradients can elevate your work. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice and experimentation. Try different fonts, colors, and gradients to see how they transform your design. With Canva's intuitive interface and your newfound skills, you're well on your way to creating visually striking text features in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.